Welcome to my Airbnb spot here, Cartagena, Colombia. So you gotta put in the key in the slot in order to turn the air on. You got one TV here, which looks like it's a 42-inch flat screen. You got refrigerator code, whatever little nightstand, it don't matter. Couple towels, safe, blanket, nothing too special at all. This is about a $50-something a night accommodation. Like I say, everything is nice and clean. Smells nice and clean in here. What else I want to show? This is a small little bathroom. This little air freshener is spitting and leaking down on this counter though, or something. Something happened right there. And that's it. So this is the Miami Hotel King Room. I guess I would call this the King Room Deluxe. And that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. This your boy JP, and this is the JP Way. Cartagena, Colombia, Miami Hotel. Okay, I just want to show you this here. I didn't do this here. So that's not coming out. I ain't do that. I just came in here. So show y'all that, document that. One of the nice parts, I guess, is it got an elevator here. So you can come in the elevator and you ain't got to take the stairs. So that's a good part. Let me go down here and show them some different stuff about this room. All right. This is JP, and this is the JP Way.